So here everyone, few days ago, DeepSeek dethroned ChatGPT. So there are lots of reasons for that. The first reason, it's free, it's open source, that is you can basically run on your local machine, and its API is 76 times cheaper. And also the most important reason is that it has a rethinking ability. So that's why it's also better as compared to ChatGPT. So because of all these reasons, it's very important to learn DeepSeek in 2025. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you 5 courses which will make you a better coder, a better learner, and a better researcher. So yeah, let's start the video. So this is our first course in our series, that is DeepSeek for Beginners by Simplelearn. So this course is very short. It's just 1 hours, and you will also get the completion certificate, course completion certificate basically. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So if you are a complete beginner and you want to learn DeepSeek in very short period of time, then you can try out this course. And now let's switch to our second course. This course is for coders. If you are a coder and if you want to learn DeepSeek and you want to improve your coding skills, then you can watch this course that is from ClassCentral. So this DeepSeek course is from ClassCentral, which you can learn. It's just 24 minutes long, and it's a YouTube video. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. It's, if you're a coder, you should definitely watch this video and basically this course. Let's switch back to our another course that is from ClassCentral. And this course, in this course, you will learn like the R1 model technical skills implementation guide. It has 7 modules like introduction, benchmark, using deep
that they do.
pastry model, and it has a 7 basically modules. So this is very great course if you want to learn, if you want to become an intermediate in DeepSeek. Let's switch back to our like fourth course in our series, that is DeepSeek version 2.4 2.5 by ClassCentral. Again, this is an open LLM tutorial, and you will all, again, this is very short course for 15 minutes, and you can try out this if you want to learn into more depth. It's a pretty advanced course. So yeah, if you want to go to more depth, then you can watch this course. Coming back to our last course, that is from Udemy. It's a DeepSeek complete guide. Again, this is the only course in my series which is paid. You will just have to pay 500 rupees. If you want, you can try it out. It has a very nice rating, that is 4.3. And yeah, if you are a complete beginner again, and someone who loves to use Udemy and all that, then you can definitely try out this course. It has something like 1 2 3 4, it has something like 7 to 8 modules, and you will complete this course, if you see, in just 2 hours. So all these courses are very short, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. So these are the 5 courses that you can learn, and keep subscribing my channel for more update like these.